My sister took everything, so I watched her world collapse. My sister Amy always hated me. She was the golden child, great at everything. Dancing, singing, acting, you name it. And she loved rubbing it in my face. Every time I got a B, she'd get an A and make sure everyone knew she was better. Even marrying the only good guy in our neighborhood was a victory for her. He was my first love. I dreamed of moving to Spain with him, but once Amy realized how much I liked him, she made sure he loved her instead. He passed away, and we grieved together, which brought us closer. I invited her to stay with me and my boyfriend Mike to help her heal. We had a Valentine's trip to Hawaii planned, but I convinced Mike to let Amy join us. Then, 4 days before the trip, I came home early. Amy was in bed with him in our bedroom. Mike dumped me, and Amy smirked. 2 days later, they announced their relationship on Instagram. She'd won again. They went to Hawaii and I went to Spain. But first I made a stop at Amy's. I took my first love with me and recorded a video of me throwing him into the ocean-scented tea. She was crying and in tears, but I only had one thing to tell her. Wump, wump.